Hello and welcome back to another Destination Modified video. As you can tell by the title, I've bought another project car. However, this one's more of a achievable dream car, if you want to call it that. So the M2's gone, the S15's gone, and this is the replacement. So I'm not going to ramble too much, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get straight into the reveal.
Next day.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the reveal. Let us know down in the comments what you think of the car. I'm absolutely over the moon with the car, by the way. It's so good. Better than I expected, to be honest. So I've got some big plans for the car coming over the next few months. But I'll get into that in another video. If you want to see me do anything with this car, any mods that you might suggest, leave them down in the comments. But thanks for watching anyway, and stay jolly.